So, how do you create a clean portfolio website using Card? If you want something simple, fast, and actually looks good, this is one of the easiest way to do it. First, open your browser and go to the Card website. Once you're on the homepage, click Choose a starting point to begin. From the options, select Portfolio so you can see templates specifically designed for showcasing your work. Pick a template that fits your style. Don't overthink this. You can customize everything later. Now you'll be inside the editor. You'll see several control options you can play around with: text, images, buttons. Feel free to explore and get familiar. To customize the background, click on the background section, then choose if you want a gradient, video, or photo. This already changes the whole vibe of your site. Next, upload your portfolio images. Just click on an image element, replace it with your own work, and repeat this for the other sections. At the bottom, you'll usually see social media buttons. You can edit these and add your own links. Once you're done, click Publish, fill up your site name and details, then confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.